Hello everyone. Let's see how to solve this problem prime number. So given an input n equal to 5, you have to check whether it is a prime or not. So 5 has two factors 1 and 5 only. That means we have to return 1. So usually prime number is a number which is only divisible by 1 and itself. So in this case, in this example, 5 is divisible by two factors, which are it is divisible by 1 and also it is divisible by the same number 5. So a prime number is divisible by 1 and itself, that is called a prime number. In this example 25 has three factors 1, 5 and then 25. So it has the 5 as a it is divisible by 5 also, so it should be divisible by 1 and then itself, that is 25. So it is not a prime, so the output is 0. So time complexity is order of square root of n. That means our loop should be uh, go through until the square root of n. So let's code for this. I just have a separate function to check whether it is a prime or not. I use a boolean, name it as a prime, and then I just pass integer n value. In this function I'm just going to check whether it is a prime or not. Initial check I'm going to check if n value is less than 2 means I just return false. Since it is a boolean, I just return false. Why? Because prime numbers are start from 2. If it is 1 means we have to return false. So for this edge case n equal to 1 means this if condition will be work. And then we have to use a for loop. It should start from the 2 and then for the we have to loop through square root as they mentioned in the time complexity, using the math dot square root. Math dot square root of n. We have to start from I equal to 2 and then less than or equal to math dot square root of n and then I plus plus. Inside this we have to check whether any number is divisible by any of this 2 to math dot square root of n. These between numbers can be divisible by n means it should not be divisible. No, n should be divisible by 1 and also itself number, the same number of the n. It should not divisible any other number between this. So we have to check if n modulo I equal to 0. If it is divisible means we have to return false because it should not be divisible by any other number and of the n. It should be divisible by 1 and also it's the same number of itself. So until this for loop finish, no other number is divisible by n means we have to return true. No any other number is divisible, so we have to return true. So this is the function to check a prime. So I just use this function here. If prime of n, if prime of n means I have to return 1. Here output is 1. Prime means 1. If it is not means 0. So if it is not means I am just returning 0. I just compare. Okay, the expected output came. Okay, all the test case passed. Thank you.